everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download TikTok application on your PC or your laptop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to get TikTok on your laptop, you'll first need to go and download an Android emulator. You can search for any Android emulators for your PC by typing in Android emulator for PC and search. There are lots of Android emulators available in the market. You can simply download any one that you feel comfortable with. In my case, I've downloaded BlueStacks 5 Android emulator. If you'd like to download the same, search for BlueStacks, download, and press the enter. From the top of the screen, you'll be able to see an option that says BlueStacks, fastest Android emulator for PC and Mac. Click on the link, and from this page, click on Download BlueStacks 5. You can also search for all versions by clicking on this link right here that says all versions and choose the version that you'd like to download. Click on Download BlueStacks link from this page, and once you download the application, click it open. Once you open your Android emulator, go and click on the Play Store option. You might need to sign in with your Google account in order to open up your Play Store option. So sign into your Google account by entering your credentials. Enter your password if prompted in the text box. Double check your password by clicking on the Show Password box, and once you reveal your password, click on Next. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the Google Play Store. Search for TikTok in the search box by typing it in. Now, click on the Install button right next to the app in order to download the application for your laptop. Wait for the download to finish and installation to complete. Once it is done, click it open and go ahead and log into your account if you already have an account. Click on the login button at the bottom to do so. But if you don't have an account yet for TikTok, click on one of the options displayed on the screen and sign up to a new account for your TikTok. That is how you can easily download TikTok application for your PC or laptop. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.